Hi beautiful, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be making Nigerian stew, just tomatoes and bell pepper with onion. Simple recipe. So blending it now. Here is my choice of roti I'm using. Already boiled it. I did not fry it, just boiled, because the stew is almost done, almost ready, guys. So this weekend, guys, I just let me make different dishes for the weekend, so I will not need to come back to the kitchen here for 2 days. So our stew is ready, guys. You see that? So yummy. So the next recipe is here I'll be making carrot jollof rice. In case you have not tried carrot jollof rice, guys, go and try it and thank me later. Go and try it, guys, and thank me later. So here is my pot. I'm frying my onion. I added a little bit of tomato paste, frying it. Here is the carrot I'll be using. So I'm scraping the skin away. It's already washed, so I have to still wash it again second time. Slice it a little, very, very little, so that my blender can be able to blend it. So guys, thank you for coming back to always watch my video. God bless you guys. So if today is the first day I see my video or see my channel, you are highly welcome. To all my subscribers, new and old, God bless you all. Thank you. I really appreciate you guys. So that here is my carrot. After slicing it or chopping it, that the carrot is not blending well. It's thick, so I have to add a little drop of water to help the blades go through it, if that English makes sense. Okay, guys, that's it. It's going smooth now. So here we are done with the blending. Look at that. Not too thick, not too light. Not too thick, not too light. That's what we are looking for. I'll be adding it now. This white pepper. This is Spanish white pepper. This is thyme. Seasoning cubes. Just two. And a little bit of salt. Mix together. I will be adding my rice into the pot now. Tasty good. Tastes yummy, yummy. So here is my chopped carrots. Here is the rice. Just normal regular rice. Can use any rice of your choice. So here is some leftover stock. Just added this to the top of the rice. My kitchen is already scenting yummy, yummy, yummy. So here we come. Our rice is almost ready. So here I just mix it or lift it up, if that English makes sense. Just mix it the rice. So I noticed that I needed a little bit of stew. Remember, I prepared stew already, so I added from the stew I just make now. My kitchen is scenting yummy, yummy. So guys, thank you for your love and support. Please subscribe for more recipe like this. Thank you.